What if I told you you can swap Han's legendary car in Tokyo Drift with literally any car you want and turn it into a viral meme in minutes? Let me walk you through it like I'm showing a friend. Step 1. Gather everything you need. To make this car swap trend, you'll need a few important files. First, prepare the original opening and ending clips from the movie. Then, grab the middle clip, the iconic one where Han is leaning against his car. After that, take a screenshot of that middle scene, making sure the full body of the car is clearly visible. If you want to replace the car using a specific image, prepare a picture of the replacement car too. This one is optional. You can still generate a new car without it. And most importantly, don't forget the prompt. That's the key to making everything work smoothly. Don't worry, I've already prepared all the files and prompts for you. You can find everything on my website. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Swap the car in the photo first. Alright, now we're getting into the fun part. Start by copying one of the image prompts I provided. If you already have a replacement car image, use the first prompt. But if you don't have one, use the second prompt and simply replace the text horse-drawn carriage with whatever car you want. Yes, you can literally type any car name you like. Next, open Higgsfield AI using the link in the description. Once you're inside, tap the Create button at the bottom of the screen. Go into the Images section and select the Nano Banana Pro model. Upload the original screenshot captured from the movie. If you have a replacement car image, upload that as well. Then paste the prompt into the prompt field. Set the aspect ratio to auto so it adjusts automatically. For better results, set the quality to 2K. I also recommend setting batch generation to 4 so you'll get multiple results and can choose the best one. After that, just hit generate and wait a few seconds. And just like that, the original car is swapped. Now you can simply pick your favorite results and download it. Step 3. Swap the car in the video. Now it's time to bring it to life. Still inside Higgsfield, switch over to the video section and select the Kling Video Edit model. Upload the original video clip that contains the car scene you want to swap. Then upload the edited image you just downloaded. Paste the video prompt into the prompt field. Then hit generate. This process takes a little longer, so just relax and wait a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll see the magic. The car in the moving video is now swapped seamlessly, and it looks surprisingly realistic. Final step, edit everything together. Now all you need to do is combine the original intro clip, the swapped middle clip, and the original ending clip into one complete video. Use any editing app you're comfortable with. CapCut, VN, Premiere, whatever works for you. Arrange the clips in order, export the final result, and that's it. You've just recreated one of the most viral car swap memes from Tokyo Drift, but with your own twist. So yeah, instead of just watching the trend, why not make your own version? Swap it with a supercar, swap it with a tiny city car, or swap it with something completely ridiculous. That's the fun part. Now go try it yourself, and who knows, yours might be the next one that goes viral.